If your idea of Korean food is just kimchi and BBQ, you're in for a treat. Korean cuisine is a thrilling blend of taste and tradition where every bite tells a story. First up, let's talk about kimchi. This iconic dish is not just fermented cabbage, it's a labor of love, seasoned with garlic, salt, chili peppers, and a dash of Korean magic. Moving on, have you ever tried tteokbokki? These spicy rice cakes are a street food sensation. Imagine chewy rice cakes drenched in a fiery sweet sauce that will dance on your taste buds. Now for something a bit heartier, bibimbap. Picture a colorful bowl brimming with rice, seasoned vegetables, a sunny-side-up egg, and slices of beef, all mixed together with a spicy gochujang sauce. It's not just food, it's art in a bowl. Don't forget about Korean BBQ, a must-try culinary experience. It's all about grilling your own meat right at your table and wrapping it in lettuce with garlic, onions, and a smear of samjang. It's interactive, it's delicious, and it's uniquely Korean. To wrap it up, Korean cuisine offers an exciting palette of flavors that are bold, diverse, and absolutely mouth-watering. So, are you ready to explore the savory delights of Korea? Let's get tasting.